Oh, you're gonna jump? Okay. Ah! Nie dzwoni mnie z swoimi problemami. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look right here. Very glowy, dewy, fresh looking. This is basically what I do on a daily basis when I wear makeup. This is basically my everyday go-to look, except with a lot more glow. I wanted to show you guys how I achieve a very glowy, healthy looking complexion. Basically, I'm going to teach you how to glow for the holidays. Before we get started with today's tutorial, I want to introduce you to someone very special, a new member of the family. Hi! This is Alea, our little Bengal kitty. The lights are a little too bright for her. Why are you so cute? Say hello. We got her on Thanksgiving Day. She's a little over 6 weeks and she's the cutest little fur baby. And I love her so much. Cutest little baby. I made her a little Instagram. I made her her own little Instagram. That way you guys can follow her for daily spam of her cuteness. Because I would do it on my page, but I know people are gonna get annoyed. So I just made her her own little Instagram. Anyways, let's get started. Alright, so I'm starting off by hydrating my skin with the Tilbury Magic Cream Moisturizer. This stuff is bomb for dry skin, and if you want to look super glowy and radiant, it's such a good base under makeup. It keeps me looking fresh all day long. Oh, and I woke up with a bug bite right under my eye this morning. I love that for me. I'm also applying this using a brush because I'm just like this sometimes. I'm also priming with the Becca First Light Primer. I like this one because it's purple tone, so it helps cancel out redness. For foundation, I'm going to use the Lancome Teint Idole 24-hour one. It gives a really nice skin-like finish. It's not too dewy, not too matte, so I like using this for this type of look. By the way, sorry this is a voiceover. I promise my next video will be a talk-through video. But anyways, I'm just applying this using the Huda Beauty Sponge. And I'm actually going to use 2 shades of concealer, Mocha and Almond, the TooFaced Born This Way concealers. These guys are really, really good. I've been using them pretty much daily for the last few weeks. With the lighter shade, I'm obviously concealing and brightening. And then with the Mocha shade, I like to do a little cream contouring just because when you use mostly creams, you get a nice radiant finish. And that's the whole point of this look. But yeah, if you're looking for a really nice creaseless full coverage concealer, definitely check this one out. Sticking to creams, I'm going to use a cream blush. This is from Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Beam, and I like to apply this with a small brush. You can also use your fingers, whatever is easier. I like how it gives you just a nice flush of color on the cheeks. I'm going to powder a little with the Tilbury Flawless Finish one, just under my eyes, my T-zone area, and my forehead. Next, I'm going to lay down a base for my highlighter. This is the Mercier Translucent Glow, the new one. As you can see, it just gives a glow from within, and that's why I like it. I'm also going to use this duo bronzer and highlighter from the new TooFaced Tutti Frutti collection, I believe. The bronzer was really nice. I liked how it came out, and then I quickly ran some of it into my crease and under my eyes just to add some warmth. I also wanted to try out the highlighter from the TooFaced Duo, and I really like this one too. The product actually smelled like pineapples. Also love that for me. To finish off my eyes, I'm going to use my all-time favorite mascara from Buxom. You guys should already know this. I've been using it for months now, and I love how long and separated it makes my lashes. I decided to add some powder blush. This is from Tarte, the Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Captivating, just a nice peachy pink. And now for my everyday go-to nude lip combo, Buxom's Plump Lip Liner in the shade Incognito, my new favorite. And then, of course, I have to top it off with the Marc Jacobs Sugar Sugar Gloss. Ugh, I love these two. This combo, you guys, you should try it. But that completes this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a new video going up tomorrow, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!